Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss on a Java program that is largest of three numbers. And here we have created a class with the largest of three numbers. Then we can see we have already declared ABC values as well. And here we are using two approaches. We are following two approaches. First approach will check first approach. In the first approach, here we will check a value is greater than b and a value is greater than 6. That means a is greater. So we are printing that a value. And in the else if condition, here we will check b value as well. B is greater than a and b is greater than c. So in the first, we have checked the a value, like both conditions. If both conditions are true, it will print a is greater. Else if it is not satisfied, then it will come to the second one, else if statement. Okay. And in the previous one, in the if else condition, we have mentioned and operator. That means both values should be true. If we use or operator, at least one value should be true. So for this, we are using and only. And in the else if section, if b value is greater than a and b value is greater than c, if these two conditions are satisfied, then the output will become b. So why? Because we have checked for A and now we are checking for B as well. So if this is also gets failed, that means C is the greater. Then we have to print the C value. If A is not greater and B is not greater, that means C, right? That's why we are not writing any conditions. Directly we are printing the C value. And then we will use the second approach. We'll follow the second approach. In this, we will use the ternary operator. That means first we'll provide the condition followed by the question mark. Then if the condition is true, it will print the first value. If the condition is false, then it will print the second value. This is what ternary operator will do. So here we have taken one integer variable largest. We have provided the condition a greater than b, and if it is true, it will return a. If it is false, it will return b. So whatever the case, it will store it in largest. Okay, now we have to check that largest with the c value. That's why c is greater than largest. Why? Because the previous value will return largest of two numbers. Now we are checking that largest number with the c value. So whatever the value is true, that will print here, either it is c or largest, the new generated value. So it will be stored in the largest new. We are printing that by using system.out.println statement. That's it. And here we are printing that. Then we'll try to run the code and let's see the output how we are getting. Okay. And as you can see here, right, we have mentioned a b value is based on the values we have provided that given the output. Now we are mentioning 13 is the greater b value. It is printing 13 as well. So then we'll change the values to the negative as well. Let's try to check for the negative. It is giving properly or not. So now I have given minus 13, minus 10, and it is printing 0. Why? Because 0 is greater than minus 13 and minus 10. That's why it is printing the 0 is the greater. And this is how this code will work. And thank you for watching this video. If you do like this content, please subscribe and share it with your friends also.